Goeiemôre, baie dankie vir hierdie nice comment. My fun fact, my natural hair color is actually dark brown. So this is a photo of how I used to look when I was, I think, 19 or 21. So for squinty quality, because this is when we're still taking photos on Nokia 3310s, and black and white photos were maybe still a thing because I'm old as F. And then I started lighting my hair because I was just like, this is so boring. I feel so So yeah, went lighter over the years. Then I moved to Scotland, and then I saw how expensive it is to... Waar gaan my oog aan? Ek hoef gar my gemoed uit. Dis so duur om jou hare te doen hierso. And I was just like, is it worth it? Like the £200, because that time I was still going to a lady. She was charging me like £190 to do my hair, and I was like, yo lady, this was my kosgeld amper vir soos halwe maand of iets. It's too much. So I decided to do a balayage, and then this, I think that's how you say that word, balayage. Yeah, julle is nog moeg jong. This is how I used to look with my hair in a balayage, and I was just like, okay, it's okay, but I wasn't feeling myself. I was like, so, again, I felt so, even though I had like the blondest stukkies hiervoor, I was just not feeling it at all. So boring. I felt so not myself. I was like, not for me. Oh, you know what? Ons is slaaarm. What's another 200 quid gonna do? So I went back to blonde, but yeah, that was also like a process. Not a long process, but you know, must go from dark to light again. And then also, what helped was the lady I'm doing my hair at now, sy vra my nie so baie om my hare te doen nie. So it helps. The story of my hair color, I almost went red one time. Van Gareth gesê, I dink ek sal mooi lyk met rooi hare. I almost did it. En toe sê die hairdresser vir my, if you go red, you're gonna sickle to go back to blonde. And I was like, gaan myself nie so opstress nie. So, this is it. This is the color I'm staying with until I kick the bucket. Julle, that's all for today. Lekker werk. Bye.